So this is the Kolkata Tram Library.
So the total fare from Shyambajar to Esplanade is. Good morning, internet. Hope everyone is doing well. Currently, I am by the Ganga, the Ganges River. You can see all the leaves are moving because of a chilly winter morning. Wind is blowing, and what a perfect, beautiful feeling it is to come here during the morning time and enjoy. Just sit silently and enjoy the environment all around. So, in this video, from the title itself, you may know what I am going to show you. I am going to give you a tram ride in this video. This is not an ordinary tram ride. This is a library tram ride. Currently, I am at Bagbajar Ghat. It is around 11:22. I have to reach at the Shyambajar tram depot around 12 p.m. Tram departs at 12 p.m. So I will meet you straight at the Shyambajar tram depot and I will tell you more about it when I reach there. If you are new to the channel, please to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, do give the video a like. I have more 300 subscribers left for 1k subscribers. Please make me reach 1k subscribers as soon as possible. So as I have seen the analytics of my channel, 95% who watches my video haven't subscribed to my channel. Please, it's a request, please to subscribe to my channel. So I have more 30 minutes today. It will take around 10 minutes to go there on my bike. So I'll meet you straight while I reach there. Right now I have reached the Shyambajar tram depot and there is the tram library behind me. It will depart around 12:10 from now. The route is from Shyambajar to Esplanade tram depot. And this is not going to be an ordinary tram ride. This is going to be a special tram ride. Since the tram adds as a heritage to the Kolkata and this library tram adds as an additional to the heritage. For the first time ever, a tram has a library within it. So it's going to be an epic ride and this is my first time. I am going to give you my experience of the library within a tram. I have been to the library in school times, but within a tram this is going to be my first time. due to less people traveling and less people entering, this shelf is empty. In the initial list, this shelf used to be full, but they have kept only on this shelf only. This tram is air conditioned tram, and I don't know how much my voice is coming to you because of the background noise of the engine behind. So this is a air conditioned tram, and here you can avail free Wi-Fi on when you board this tram. So this is quite a unique addition. Like airplane, there is the AC vents over there, which will be coming out, and there is the free Wi-Fi password when you avail. In today's modern digital world, where people are totally dependent on digital books, digital notes, digital videos of stories or whatever, this initiative by the West Bengal government and the others who are associated with this is quite a challenging task to introduce a library, because people hardly visit library these days, and in a tram, this is quite a unique initiative. First time ever it has happened. In between the traffic and in between the rides, people can enjoy reading the storybooks, and the college going students or the people who are preparing for the competitive exam can go through the books, go through the practice questions while traveling on a tram. Such an unique initiative and great initiative in the city of Joy. A big thumbs up to all who has come up with this unique idea. The speciality of this route from Shyambajar to Esplanade is that many heritage sites of Kolkata come in this route, and heritage sites includes some heritage educational sites also, because this tram goes to the College Street area, and it is the tram is quite near to the College Street area. There in the College Street area, there are many notable colleges, Presidency, Calcutta University, and many schools, Hindu schools, Hare School. So this makes the tram library route also quite interesting. I have put my phone over here that is recording a time lapse of the whole journey of Shyambajar, from Shyambajar to Esplanade tram. So the total fare from Shyambajar to Esplanade is 20 rupees, and in between you can also get off as usual. This is, as I told, this is a normal route tram, but with an additional library also. So if you travel from Shyambajar to Esplanade, the fare is 20 rupees, quite reasonable, because it's as an additional air condition and library also. Just exiting out of the tram. So on the back, that was the library side. So this is the Kolkata tram library. So that is the Esplanade tram depot behind, just opposite to the New Market area. So this was all from this video. This was my first time traveling in this route, and first time also traveling in the tram library. So if you all like this video, if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Hope this video was quite informative to you, and I want you all to give at least one visit to the tram library, and you will enjoy it. I didn't show you the library too much because there was lack of books today, so the number of books was quite less today. So whatever books was there, I have shown you. I have given you the different types of genres of books that are available in this term. So in different terms there are different books. So in this term I have shown you competitive exam books, story books, and all the different types of magazine, newspapers that are available. So till then, bye bye. I will meet you in the next vlog soon.